Welcome back to Let Us Learn to Lead video series on free open source software designed by M. Srinivasan, Training Associate Mathematics, Kendra Vidyalaya Sangathan, Zonal Institute of Education Training, Mumbai. Self-learning contents in video form on GeoGebra, dynamic mathematics software is presented at this video series. To view the contents, you may join Google Classroom by using the class code 73AUMBO. In this video, you will learn designing a worksheet for Tangram puzzle. For preparing this video lecture, I used Windows 10 operating system, a licensed version, GeoGebra 5.0, a free open source software, and free open source screen recorder software. Let us start. Let me show you what type of worksheet we will be designing. We will be designing a worksheet for Tangram puzzle. The Tangram is a dissection puzzle consisting of 7 flat polygons called tans, which are put together to form shapes. Here I have made one shape on the left side, you are seeing, maybe in the form of an aeroplane. It will contain 7 pieces, 1 parallelogram, 1 square and 5 triangles. All the pieces must be used. They must lay flat, all must touch and none may overlap. So many figures will be coming, and this is the Tangram figures. You can have it from net. All can be formed using this 7 pieces only. And not only that, we can explain to the children a lot of geometrical ideas. For example, what is the area of the Tangram piece? If the whole Tangram set taking the area of the smallest triangle as 1 unit, we are having one smallest triangle. To take as the 1 unit, you have to find the area of this Tangram. And you can take 2 small triangle and put them together, you will get a square, triangle, parallelogram, and make a square, make a rectangle, then make a rectangle, a trapezium and a parallelogram. Find the area of the given combination of figures by taking area of the smallest triangle as 1 square units. And not only that, you can prove some theorems like midpoint theorem, properties of parallelogram. Everything can be proved using this 7 pieces. But now normally this will be done with a piece of paper. Now here we will try to use this GeoGebra, how these pieces can be obtained using GeoGebra and can be used. But in the beginning, I think I will tell you that how a child will be tempted to form a geometrical shape like that, maybe airplane or the shape of a house, using this 7 shapes. Let us try to design this dynamic worksheet from scratch. For that, I have taken GeoGebra Classic 5 worksheet and I have taken geometry view. Now normally it is always better to tell the children about this Tangram. Therefore I think this I will copy it and I can paste it over here so that the child will be able to understand that what is a Tangram. Remember this puzzle, before you go for that, you can give a kind of literature to the children so that they will enjoy it. Okay, now let us try to do this. For that, what I am going to do is, I will go for this option, rounding off to no need for any decimal place. Labeling, I am not going to label any points now. If you want, you can label it. After that, you can remove the label also. First of all, let me go for a segment with a given length. For example, let me take a very small one with the length 6. You can have 7, you can have 10, whatever you want to have. Now go to this regular polygon, because Tangram starts with a square. The first square is formed. Now take this segment, draw the diagonal, go for midpoint, find the midpoint of the diagonal, midpoint of these 2 sides. Now take a segment, join these 2. Now this diagonal, we are having a midpoint. Try to divide the diagonal into 4 equal parts. For example, take the midpoint, touch these 2, you will get the midpoint of the first, midpoint of the second. Now the diagonal is divided into 4 equal parts. go to this segment, start joining carefully. Okay, one more midpoint is required, midpoint of this segment. Okay, now try to join very carefully. See how I am joining. This to be joined with this, this to be joined with this, this to be joined with this. This should not be joined with anything. Then again this and this to be joined. Suppose if you have ABCD, and then you can tell that join AB, join AG, like that you can remember. Now 7 parts we have got, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We want to make all of them as polygons. Go to this polygon, carefully do number 1. 1, 2, 3 and 1. Triangle over. Then 1, 2, 3 and 1. Triangle number 2. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1. Polygon. 1, 2, 3 and 1. Triangle. 1, 2, 3 and 1. Triangle. 1, 2, 3 and 1. Triangle. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1. That is a maybe a polygon or quadrilateral, whatever. Let us see what it is. Okay. Now go back to this graphing and then check where this polygon is. Okay, here it is. Hide it. Hide the polygon. You can right click and write the polygon also, but I am going there so that it is easy for me. Now we are going to take this all the 7 pieces outside from this polygon. Be careful. Go to this rigid polygon. Touch the first part. It has come out. Press escape and put it over here. Sorry. Okay. Then again go to rigid polygon. Touch number 2. Escape. Put it over here. Again go to rigid polygon. Touch this. Escape, or you can click that also. This also can be clicked. Okay, 1, 2, 3 over. Then again go to rigid polygon 4. Escape. I am pressing escape. Again go to rigid polygon, this part. It's come out. Again go to rigid polygon, this part. Oh sorry. Escape. Come out. Again rigid polygon. Touch it and it has come out. Well, now everything can be arranged as per your convenience. This can be arranged here. 1 and then 2. Then you can arrange it the 3rd, then the 4th, 5th, 6th and the 7th. Okay. Now you can tell the children that it is having one parallelogram and it is having one square and 5 triangles. Is it okay? You can tell the children that what actually it contains. It contains that. Therefore, go to this ABC and then you can paste it. Okay. Now, what is the condition? You have to tell the condition for this tangram. Now, I am going for making figures using tangram. Tangram can be used for, as we discussed, it can be used for proving some very interesting mathematical results also. Okay. Now you can tell the children that about this. You can go to this angle, touch it, touch it, touch it, touch it, touch it, touch it and touch it. Now the child can understand that what are the figures. This is actually a square. They may not think that okay, it looks like a rhombus. It's a square, parallelogram, a triangle special, triangle special. Then this is a triangle once again, triangle once again, triangle once again. Okay. Now I think there is no need to show them the angles. If you want, you can show them the angle and tell them that what type of figures they are. Now this tangram can be, you can ask them to take 2 and then make a rectangle, make a trapezium, make a square. Okay, they have to just for example, they have to bring it one of them, escape, bring it one of them here and then bring it over here and then they can rotate it. Okay, and then bring it and then they can keep it very close. Okay, and then they can little bit rotate it and then they can by check it whether this is a right angle triangle or whatever maybe, because you see you can go for it. I am just telling you, suppose angle and angle, you see all are 90 degrees now. 45 plus 45, 45 plus 45, 90, 90. However, when you take 2 small triangles and you are getting a square like that, you can ask them to just go for creating some geometrical figures also. But if you want to have the fun part of it, suppose if you want to have it in the form of a fun, for what you can do is you can go to this net, you can take any puzzle image. Okay, for example, I will take this house image. Okay, click that house image, right click it, copy the image, go to any PowerPoint presentation, paste it. Then you can reduce its size if you want. Then right click, go for save as the picture. Okay, I think in the desktop, let me have it as house. Okay, then I am saving it. Then come back to this GeoGebra, go for this ABC image, then you can go for this house. Double click it, this house has come now. Escape, then house. Okay, now I think you can tell the children that I am having the house now. Using this all the 7 pieces, try to construct that house. Now the child will be trying, he will just ask, okay, the triangle is there, therefore he will try to bring the triangle here. Then 2 triangles are there, he will try to rotate it. It can be rotated. He will just try to rotate it and then put it over here, like that. Okay, now this is the way the child will try to arrange them and he will have a fun. Therefore, this tangram puzzle, instead of using a piece of paper, we have used a GeoGebra, because using it we are getting all the pieces, and the same GeoGebra worksheet can be used for many purpose. Thank you. Let us learn to lead.